Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 279 failed to connect to the game. To fix this issue, the first step is simply navigate status.roblox.com in your browser. So this is Roblox page displaying their operational status. So if they have issues going on, you will see color red in here. It means Roblox is actually down. But right now it's green, so it means there's no problem with Roblox. So head on to step 2. Okay, so step 2 is try restarting your computer. Sometimes this simple fix can often solve minor problems. So after restarting or rebooting your computer, if you're still getting this Roblox error code 279, then move on to step 3. Run the Windows 11 network troubleshooter because that can fix any connection issues. So to do this, right click Windows Start button and then go to Network Connections. And then go to Network Troubleshooters. So in Windows 10 and Windows 11, the tutorial is not the same for this one. But you can just go ahead and browse your network connections, and then you can go ahead and try to troubleshoot your network connections. So as for me, I'm using Windows 11. So you can follow what I'm doing right now. I just search the status network connections and then you will be directed here. So just go ahead and click the troubleshoot and you will see here the option system troubleshoot. So in here, just expand the arrow and then select Run Troubleshoot, then Notify Me. And then wait for it to load up. So a new window will pop up. Just go ahead and scroll this down until you find the Run Troubleshooters. Just go ahead and click that one. And then Internet Connection, just press Next. And then you are now running the troubleshooter. Just go ahead and select troubleshoot my connection to the internet. Just select that one and then it will now start detecting problems. So once you're done, just go ahead and close this window. So after trying the step 3, you should go ahead and open Roblox and you should be able to play it again. So now if this method doesn't work, just go ahead and try step 4, uninstalling Roblox and reinstalling it again. To do this, right click your Windows Start button again and then go to Installed Apps right there. And then select Roblox and uninstall it. Now to install Roblox again, go to your browser and try to play a game. And then you will see here download and install. Just go ahead and click that one and install it from your browser, or I recommend that you install Roblox using your Microsoft Store. So just go ahead and go to your Microsoft Store, search for Roblox and install it from there. So after all the fixes, you should be able to launch Roblox and you'll be able to play Roblox again in your computer. And that's it guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.